Alright, so I'm down here at Turner Valley again, aka pretty much a dump down here is what it looks like. I tell you what, I'm down Turner Valley today. This is not where I expected to be, but I just feel like I'm down here, so we'll see. We'll watch a few trains and go back up the hill. I tell you what, I'll be done when I'm satisfied. Got some nice fall colors on here. There's new no trespassing signs, but that is not part of the park down here. The park starts from here down. That land over there is not the park. Plus, there's people on dirt bikes destroyed it, and people have dumped shit everywhere. I don't know why they gotta do that, but that's the way it goes. Saying we'll just wait for a few trains, be good to go. Here comes our first train of the day here. First train of the day, heck yeah. And show a visual in 2 seconds. Oh, it's about time. Yeah, I got a DPU train coming. Let's see. We got a mixed freight. Ground's shaking pretty good here. Oh yeah. Feel that, jeez. Hey, we got triple DPU on this one, jeez. I want to see a triple DPU. Alright, there can. Right, so as I sit here waiting for a train, I look at these tires. You see the metal sticking out, all this creosote. I tell you what, the lessons learned from R.J. Corman echo very loudly. You get cut by this stuff, a little bit of that residue gets into your bloodstream, and you get blood cancer from this. I mean, very quickly you can get very sick from this stuff. I mean, I tell you what, the danger is very real. I'll tell you what, wear gloves. I mean, around stuff like this. I mean, you see how easily that could happen. I mean, any of that stuff gets into your bloodstream. I mean, you're pretty much gonna get sick from it if you do that every single day. I mean, it wouldn't even take long. 15, 20 years. Wouldn't even have to do that. I mean, I tell you what, the danger is real. Oh, I tell you what, it is beautiful out here. I mean, the leaves are perfect at Parland Harper. Oh, I tell you what, these leaves are perfect out here. I mean, it's beautiful. I mean, look at that, perfect gold. I stopped back at home and suddenly I find myself down here. Like, I need to watch more of this stuff. I need to get away from the stress. But this helped me. I tell you what, look at this beautiful fall colors on there. Oh, it doesn't get better than this. Oh, is that sweet? Yeah, they moved something down there. Now I can see all the headlights from the cars. I made it down here about 10 minutes from the house. That was nuts. Alright, just wait for a train down here. Fortunately, got a Jeep this morning. It's just one. Should say this afternoon. Because it was like 1 o'clock when I went down the York River. Started on alarm tonight. So what, I come on Norfolk Southern? Distance up here? Hear that train horn? That's where I just came from. That crossing in here honking in the distance. I'm down here. Hear that train horn up there? That's a CSX train passing the crossing I just came from like an hour ago. And I'm down here and there's no trains. That figures. I tell you, that's the crossing I just came from in distance. Here comes our first train for the day. Well, it's just a second. First on here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he's hauling ass. He's hauling ass. No sudden movements there, Brian. I have no idea that's the Heritage until it goes under me. I'll tell you what, I saw one of those CSX pickup trucks go by on the CSX line. When I came on Lincoln White, he was going by. When I was at the stop sign, he was like smiling at me. Oh yeah, he's hauling. I can't see anything. I'm gonna take a guess what the heck that is. Oh, it's going hard though. Oh yeah. Looks like containers to me. Oh, he's hauling ass. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Man, that's the hardest I ever heard Gevo go. Wow. That is the loudest I've ever heard Gevo. Holy crap. GE Evolution at its finest. Oh yeah. Man, listen to that Gevo go. Oh yeah. What a noise. That tiny little exhaust in that Gevo. My god, what noise comes out. It's like a jet engine. That turbo. What the hell is that? Oh yeah. Oh, Brian. Alright, got a bunch of rocks there. Oh, you son of a bitch. Well, look at the leaves go. I don't know about that. Go on and get some trailers, are ya? Have a good day and a safe trip. Train coming. I'm not sure if it's Amtrak or not, but all these motorcycles out here, something front, a bunch of trains coming, but Yeah, there's something motoring up that valley, so should say down it. I definitely hear a train. I think we're about to have a meet. There's one coming this way and that way. Oh yeah. And I definitely hear an engine behind me, so let's see. So there's only one on truck 2. One. Let's see, alright. Alright, he's coming on truck 2. Oh, I'll tell you what, this is Brian Ropar's thing here. Too bad I don't have a job here. Addicted to trains in every way possible. I'll tell you what, when you're down here by Wilmerding and Kmart at night, you see that big radio tower up on top of the hill. Look at that, there's a train coming that way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, I'm not liking that noise. That is not a good noise. Please doesn't have a car. Yeah, we got a train coming both ways. So, oh yeah. Yep. Yep. Hello. So, we got one going downhill, one going uphill. Oh, yeah. DPUs on this train. Oh yeah. Let's see. You don't see what's coming down there. Yeah, ain't nothing. Comes behind wide, look at this. Articulated. Those are ones that General Motors made. Oh yeah. How's that for 3 minutes of action there? Holy crap. Plane coming in. Well, actually he's going to Johnstown. That plane just took off. Allegheny County Airport. He'll be in Johnstown before Amtrak even gets here, jeez. That plane up there. He'll be in Johnstown in about 5 minutes. Can't hear. Do you see a headlight down there? No. I see lights down that way though. And that one train is coming in their direction, how he killed the headlight till he passed the lead engine and then he turned back on. Yeah, it's just a car high beams. I mean, he's just being generous to their crew. Yep, when twilight comes and you can't see anything, just sit down, close your eyes for a minute, open them back up, you'll be able to see planes die when you're there adjusted. Lights way down there. It looks like a freaking train coming, but it's actually car headlights. I tell you, that is the worst false hope I have ever seen. You see that light down there lighting the tracks and everything? Next thing it's gone. This is car headlights. Alright, I hear a train coming in. There's a headlight right there. Alright, it's come fast. I think this might be our Amtrak train right here. I'm above me and won't let me too. I believe this might be our Amtrak train right here. I don't know if I uploaded the video last night. I think this is our Amtrak train. Alright, that's better. I think this is our Amtrak train. Oh yeah. The headlight just flashed across there. Let's say. Yep. Let's say, have a good one. It's about time he went at speed, jeez. He's got 2 inches on there, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Look at that. Private car. And not, I think that's the, I can't, what the heck is that one called? That's the one that was on the back of the Capital Limited, the one, in the one webcam. Oh, I tell you, I don't want to lost for words. So he had 2 engines on there. What the heck is the car called? Yeah, it's CSX in the distance. Crossing I was at earlier today. That's not making me too thrilled. Yeah, that is not making me thrilled. You know, for some reason, today is the first time I've ever heard CSX from here. I think the weather's just changing right. They could do that. I swear we had like 15 CSX trains pass. That is frustrating. It's just the way the weather is tonight. You can hear the CSX. Oh yeah, we got our wish right here. We got our wish right here. Look at this. Here comes another one. No sudden movements, Brian. Damn, that's bright. Oh shit, he's flying. Alright, watch out, he's flying. Oh yeah, he's flying. Oh yeah, he's flying. Here comes Spar Shot. Oh, I do like this noise. Here he comes. Oh yeah, he's flying. See how the truck's like an S-bend? And it's a hot temperature making a light bend. Here he comes. Oh, it's like a baseball pitch coming at you. Yeah, it's like a baseball pitch coming at you. Oh yeah. I'm gonna say nothing because I can't see shit. Wow, is that bright? My shadow back there. See my shadow back there, it's nuts. So let's see. Oh yeah. What a noise. Here it comes. Let's see. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Is that loud? My God, it's that fast. Oh, I can't get over the speed in the dark. I'll tell you what, when you have like no peripherals to compare that to, man, you see how fast it really does. I get ready to turn and go up the hill, and guess what I hear in the distance? Another train. I tell you what, I wish those PRR lights were still down here. That train looks so fucking small in the distance. Sorry, small. It looks so small in that distance. I asked him how dedicated you want to be to this job. I told him it's not a job, it's a way of life. Oh yeah, he is flying. No sudden movements, Brian. Keep telling you not to wear neon green at trackside. Oh yeah, he's coming like a bat out of hell, just. Oh, he's coming fast. Oh yeah, he's flying. Okay, this one's even faster than the other one was. Oh, does he have the hammer down? Yeah, here he comes. Alright, now I'm getting cold. Every engineer is used to seeing me here now, because they see me out here every day. Nothing like the sound of an approaching train. I love when it comes behind me and it goes around the bank bend. Oh yeah. You can't beat this, I tell you what. Yep. Come on, shaving haircut, please. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. Oh, that noise. It is an addiction, yep. This is a coal train. Oh, yeah. We got a coal train. Oh, yeah. We have a coal train. Yes, this is a coal train. Oh, yeah. He is going to have a big push on this. Oh, here it comes. Yeah, I could have made the railroad street to watch them go by. And there's sort of there. Should be 35, I would say. And not bad. Empty hoppers. Yeah, it's empty hoppers. Empty coal hoppers. Okay, what a sound. Yep, empty coal hoppers. Empty coal hoppers. But there it is. No, DPU. Okay, yeah, it is 35A. Yeah, it's 35A. Very unlikely he's going to be helping the back of Auto Rocks. I don't think he's going to have helpers on the end, although... Yeah, it's Auto Rocks. Auto Rocks. Yeah, he's not going to have helpers on the end of that. And have a safe in Pittsburgh. 35A. Right, so you're down here in this valley, all quiet. Yeah, then you come up here. I'll tell you what, look at this valley down here. Quiet, dark as can be. Now let's go up here and see this. What a world of difference. better rush hour though. I mean, from down there you'd have no idea this was up here. So here we see your typical Pennsylvania pothole. Yeah, let's see, how bad? About a 3-inch drop there. Yeah, this would be your typical Pennsylvania pothole right there. Yep, yeah, that's about average for Pennsylvania, that pothole there. I mean, look at that. Heck, some potholes out here swallow buses. I mean, geez. We saw that in Pittsburgh last year. This, extend, raise lower, left right. Very simple. Although getting this up and running is going to be another animal. So up here, see the tower right there behind Kmart? When the road trucks cross into the Route 22 bridge, they're about 100 feet higher than an antenna out there behind Kmart.